This is our school, Shuanghe Elementary School. There is a gate. It is really pretty, isn't it?
Here is the grass field. Over there, you can see a dune and a tiny lake. We like to play here during recess.
This is our classroom.
Here is the basketball court in our school. We do many kinds of sports here.
Every Tuesday morning, we have to do running together.
Every Thursday morning, we have a raising flag ceremony.
This is our school's uniform. I think it is pretty.
This is our school sweatsuits. It is more convenient for me. I like it.
I like recess. There is a 10-minute recess between periods.
I go to school before 7:50. I go home at 4 o'clock except Wednesday.